back to 504 Road Trips. We are in Florence, South Carolina, and we're in the downtown area, and we're just taking a look around here, and we're gonna be staying the night at the Hotel Florence, which is right over there, and we're gonna give you a tour of the hotel and our room. So this is our king room here at the Hotel Florence. And we'll start with our basic safety features here. We have a peephole and a safety latch. And it's a mechanical deadbolt. It's kind of dark here in the entryway. And because this is, I'm pretty sure, a repurposed building, or it may be just an old hotel, but there's a hallway that leads to the room, because as you saw out in the hall, there's like 4 doors right next to each other, so everything kind of just branches off from there. So as you can see, we're in a corner room, and we have 2 windows, or well, we got 3 windows, but 2 of them face the front of the building, which is out onto the street, and then the side window here faces an alleyway, so when you look out this window here, you get a brick wall. You probably can't see anything because it's dark outside, but out the front window, now you still can't see much because of the reflection, but there's a parking lot right across the street, and that's everything that you just saw out on the street. So in the room, we have a full-size king bed here. It's kind of a small room. Some exposed plumbing up there. A full-length mirror here. And this is a railroad town, so there's railroad artwork. The air conditioner is provided by a mini split. We have a decent sized television on the wall here, which is so close to the bed that it's plenty big enough. And it's a smart TV. Alongside the bed, we have telephone. We have a power outlet, but the lamp is taking up one of the outlets in the power outlet. There's a USB for charging. We have a drawer here with, I'm assuming that's some kind of local literature and Visit Florence, and instructions for the mini split. We move over here, another drawer, and same situation with the outlets, but the lamp isn't plugged into one of them. Nothing in that drawer. We have a desk area here, and down here we have a tray with some expensive looking water and some real glasses. There's no refrigerator in this room or safe. Drawer here with, oh, you scan a QR code for the guest services directory. We got a Keurig coffee maker, and this is all the coffee and sugar cream, that kind of stuff that goes with the coffee. This little lamp here does not seem to work, so it's either unplugged or it's broken. Can't really tell. I have this rack here, which I guess is the closet. It's got some hangers on it, laundry bag. And finally, we move into the bathroom here. And this is a nightlight. Huh, okay. So in the bathroom, it's very well lit. We have a mirror here and a sink that's about 3 feet wide, no countertop space. We have hot and cold running water. The water's pretty wet. Lockwood, New York body lotion, rosemary geranium. And Lockwood face soap, rosemary geranium. And they have it in French too if you don't understand English. Little towel there, and over here we have a stand-up shower. We have a couple of towels there. We have the bath mat, and down here we have the bath towels. Looks like they gave us 3 of them. It's one of these makeup mirrors. I'm guessing this is a retro thing. This looks like something out of the 60s, but it's a light-up mirror. What's that?
They don't use those light settings that I know of anymore.
Right, right. Well, it's just got, well, no, it has evening, home, office, and day,
Yeah.
like the ones did back in the 50s.
Yeah, like my mom's did.
Yep, yep. So we have a stand-up shower with this rainfall shower head. That's nice. And this is a sliding door shower. And let's see how this works. Oh, it looks like it's got multiple settings too. So
It's real.
that's kind of weak.
That's gonna flood.
Well, it depends on the seal at the bottom of the door, and it actually has a raised ridge there. We'll check that out in the morning. Yeah, this thing's, the water flow is kind of weak. Yeah.
To really do that.
Wow, that does nothing.
But it's
Nothing
making
comes
a
out.
cool sound.
Yeah, that's because there's water pouring down the inside of the wall or something. But yeah, so the shower head's good. It's just there's not enough water pressure in this old building, probably. Oh, and they gave us a hairdryer. So, and I noticed this makeup mirror isn't plugged into anything, and there's no place to plug it in. You'd have to plug it in way over here, but then you'd have to put the mirror in the sink. So I guess you'd have to bring it out here and put it on the desk or something if you wanted to actually use it.
Then you're in a room full of bright sunlight.
Right, yeah, you'd have to either close all these, but these actually do close.
Yeah, they close all the way.
They close all the way, which once again, we'll find out in the morning if these block out all the light, because that's kind of a, you know, that's kind of a requirement for me. If I want to sleep past dawn, got to be able to shut out all the light. And I mean, they don't really seal up completely. Well, yeah, they do. If they're closed properly, they do seal up completely. So we'll see in the morning. So the after shower report, there's not a drop of water outside the shower. This track on the floor that keeps the shower door in track actually does prevent the water from coming out. There's a little bit of water there, but I think that's from when I was turning on the water just to adjust the temperature before I got in. They kind of splattered all over, so. But the bathroom isn't flooded, so they did a pretty good job with this. So this is what the shutters look like in the daylight, with the shutters pretty much completely closed. And you can go in and mess with them a little bit and, you know, make them seal up a little tighter. But it is pretty bright here in the room. It's not too bad, but it's not blacked out like I preferred. So this is what I saw when the sun came up at 5 o'clock this morning. But it was a good night's sleep. Bed was comfortable. And that's it for our room tour. So thanks for watching. Make sure and give us a thumbs up or leave a comment below, and join us for our next 504 road trip.